Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can change text color in Notion. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Notion, and then you're gonna see like click on a text here and just mark it like this. And then you're gonna see text color, and now you have options to just choose text color to whatever you want, and then you have an option to choose background color. So I can go like with a red, and as you can see it's red. Then I can choose whatever I want and pink text. Like, it's just up to you. So again, you just mark it like this, click on it and choose it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.